hello foodies, good evening. So there's no name for this recipe. Oh. I don't have any name at all. You just give it a name. I don't have any name. So a customer called me. I was like, I want gizdodo, but this time around add liver and tomo. For a moment I was like, okay, where is liver and tomo coming from? Okay, no wahala sha, everything I meat. I went into the kitchen and trust your chef now. Trust your chef. Nobody better. This recipe is that recipe that you say it choke, because it choke. When I was done, oh my god, this was really nice. But really, who even said that it has to be gizzard and dodo all the time? I mean, it could be chicken and dodo, it could be turkey and dodo, it could be anything. Just always explore. I hope you will try this recipe.